Sino na sa inyo yung mga naniwala sa kasinungalingan na binabato ni Satan sa buhay natin bilang mga lingkod ni Kristo? Ako, it's an everyday battle. Every time I'm about to do something, I'm about to decide something, doon bumabato ng lies si Satan. And I admit na mas maraming beses ako naniwala sa lies niya kaysa sa truth na binigay ni Jesus through His Word. Kaya yung mga nagiging consequences, hindi nagiging maganda. And I want to encourage you all to stick to the truth, which is Jesus Christ. Sabi nga sa John 8:31-32, to the Jews who had believed Him, Jesus said, "If you hold to my teaching, you are really my disciples. Then you will know the truth, and the truth will set you free." So, if you want to discern what is true and what is not, go to the Bible. The world says follow your heart, but the Bible says the heart is deceitful. Who really knows what our hearts understands? And the world says to love yourself, but Jesus said to deny yourself and follow Him. Marami pa yan sa Bible. Kaya if you want to know the truth, check up with the Bible. Kaya yan, God bless.